In this video, I will show you how to remove or delete reposts on your Instagram account. So first go into Instagram, click on Instagram, go to your profile at the lower right, and then scroll down. You will see reposts, this icons for the repost. Here you can delete a repost, just click on it, and then click on this icon, and now you have deleted it. You can see it's gone. So I'm going to delete some reposts here. You can see how I'm deleting them. Now, if you want to stop people from reposting your content, what you could do is click at the top right and then scroll down how others can interact with you. Click on sharing and reuse and then disable reposts on posts and reels. And that's pretty much it. Nobody can share or repost your content without your permission. That's pretty much it for the video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.